In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to filter your schedule. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have a location selected, then click on Schedules. Once you've arrived at your list of schedules, choose the one you would like to filter. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Shifts. You should now arrive at your list of shifts for this schedule. There are 3 different ways you can filter your schedule. The first is by looking in that top bar above your chart and clicking on Filter. From the drop-down menu, select Set Extra. A pop-up window for your filter should come up. The first thing you need to do is select your filter category by clicking on this arrow. Then choose a category of filter. Let's say Stations. Then choose the station you would like to view. I'll say Cashier. And you need to add that filter to activate it. I'll go ahead and choose Add. If everything looks good, then I can select Apply. Now my list is only showing cashier shifts. Notice that next to the filter icon is a little orange on. That's letting you know that you do currently have a filter in effect. I can add more than one filter if I'd like. I can go back up to that arrow, choose Set Extra, click on this arrow again, and choose something else. Let's say a specific employee, like Kat, who I know works cashier shifts. I'll add her, then choose Apply, and now that list has gotten even smaller. To get rid of those filters, click on Filter again, and choose Clear All. Now all of those filters have been cleared. The other way to filter your schedule is the way you can filter any chart with these filter icons. To do that, select a category from the top of your chart that you would like to rearrange your chart by. So let's say I want to view my chart by start time. I'll click on this little filter symbol and drag it up here. Now my chart has rearranged itself by start time. Say that I want to do it by date and start time. I can click on date, drag it up there, and my chart will rearrange itself first by start time, then by date. If I don't want it that way, say I want it date first, I can choose date and drag it over so it's in front of the start time. Now my chart has rearranged itself first by date, then by start time. I can change the order of this. Right now, my date is starting with the first date of the schedule. If I want, I can click this arrow, and now I am starting with the last date of the schedule. To remove these filters, all I need to do is click the X. And now those filters are gone. I can also click on that filter symbol and set my own filter. Let's say that I want to view everything that is equal to August 13th. So I'll type in 8/13/2018 and choose Filter. Now I'm only seeing the scheduled shifts for that day, and that filter symbol is highlighted in yellow, letting me know there is a filter in effect right there. To clear that filter, all I have to do is click on it and choose Clear. I can do the same thing with any of those filters. Let's say that instead of viewing my chart by a specific date, I want to exclude a specific date. I can click on this filter again and change this from is equal to all the way down to is not equal to. Or I could choose any of those other options. I'll click on that one. I'll enter that same date in and choose Filter. Now I'm seeing everything except for that date. Again, to clear that filter, all I need to do is click on it and choose Clear. I can do that with any of the charts that have the little filter symbol next to it, and I can have more than one of those filters in effect at the same time. That's how you can filter your schedule so you can view the information you need to. Check out the next video to learn how to view the compliance of your schedule.